Intrigued by the idea that the universe might depend on you, the traditional Newtonian model of reality, based on separation, is facing a challenge from quantum physics. In this model, you exist as a separate entity in a physical world governed by laws like gravity. However, quantum physics suggests a different story, one that aligns with ancient spiritual teachings. Hermes Trismegistus, millennia ago, proposed the concept of as above, so below. Imagine the world as a hologram, a light matrix reflecting the consciousness projected upon it. Quantum physics seems to be reaching the same conclusion. This reality might not be independent at all, but shaped by our observations in consciousness. The idea of a multiverse and infinite timelines, explored by Neville Goddard, aligns with this view. He theorized that the fourth dimension, from which our 3D world arises, contains all possibilities for our life's infinite world lines. Dr. Joe Dispenza suggests a similar concept in quantum physics, an infinite field of possibility containing all potential outcomes. This field could be seen as the all referenced in ancient teachings like the Kabbalion. So, if an infinite field of possibilities exists, what determines your current timeline? Time itself is a 3D concept. In higher dimensions, all potential versions of you already exist, yet you are experiencing a specific timeline. This is where the Newtonian model crumbles. We're shifting from separation to unity consciousness. The quantum field responds to our thoughts, feelings, and state of being. It materializes the outcome timeline we accept through these aspects. Just like a mirror, it reflects what you believe yourself to be. Though source or quantum field mirrors your inner world, its intention is to experience infinite existences through creation. However, it respects your free will, allowing for unique adventures in life. In a way, it depends on you, the conscious being, to continue the expansion of the all through your choices. Your freedom of choice is always available. Even now, you can smile into the mirror of infinity. With some delay due to the linear nature of our 3D experience, it will eventually smile back. This reflects the translation from the fourth dimension, where your desired state already exists. Persisting in the assumption of who you want to be compels the mirror to obey, as it has no will of its own. The all has limited itself to experience being you. In this now, it depends on you as its focus point to choose its experience. Essentially, you and the all are one. However, a veil of amnesia exists to simulate a genuine experience. This veil is like a voluntary amnesia for a virtual reality game. The pain you feel in the game seems real, but knowing it's a game reduces fear. This clarifies why life can feel ruthless at times. It's not a separate being doing this to you. It's the manifestation of your own state of being. A few years ago, I craved freedom, and the world reflected that feeling of being stuck. Then, I encountered Neville Goddard's work. Struggling with the idea of a loving God allowing pain, I realized God isn't a separate entity punishing you. You and I create our experiences through the law of being. Presenting a question to the mirror, the quantum field brought forth Neville's teachings. Following this, I presented the consciousness of freedom, and it responded with an inner shift. Although my external environment hadn't changed, I felt amazing. Previously unseen opportunities became apparent. This is like the story in Acres of Diamonds, where a man seeking diamonds elsewhere overlooked the diamonds on his own land. Look within before focusing on the outside world. Are you embodying the state of being you desire? The mirror reflects who you are being, and you are the captain of your ship, the master of your fate. This is a truth I've experienced firsthand. When I projected the desire for a lavish, steady income doing work I love, the mirror responded with financial ease and a fulfilling life.